Jambo, jina langu ni Milly. Welcome to today's video. Today we are learning Swahili dating phrases. But before we start, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the class. So these are the words you can use when taking your loved one from the start up to the end. The first one, date. Date, in Swahili we say chumbia. Dating is chumbiana. Okay? So you will start with the greetings. Mambo, which means hello. Poa is the response to mean fine. And then you'll want to ask them out. So how do you say that in Swahili? Naomba kukutoa nje. Naomba kukutoa nje to mean may I take you out? Is that okay? Hiyo ni sawa. Hiyo ni sawa. Their response may be ndio to mean yes or hapana labda wakati mwingine, which means no, maybe some other time. So let's assume she says ndio. She says yes to your request. She might ask like this. Tutaondoka saa ngapi? At what time shall we be leaving? Tutaondoka saa ngapi? At what time shall we be leaving? And you can respond like this. Wakati wa asubuhi to mean in the morning. Wakati wa mchana to mean in the afternoon. Or wakati wa jioni to mean in the evening. So after that time comes, you pick him or her up. Then you might ask this. Uko tayari? Are you ready? Uko tayari kuondoka? Are you ready to leave? Are you ready to leave? Uko tayari kuondoka? If she's ready, she'll tell you ndio, yes. Then as she walks out, you give some compliments. And compliments, in Swahili we say pongezi. Unampa pongezi. Give compliments. You can say like this. Wow, napenda jinsi umevalia. To mean, I love the way you're dressed. You're beautiful. Uko mrembo. Or you can say, unanukia. Una harufu nzuri. To mean, you smell nice. And the response to this will be asante. Thank you. Of course, when somebody compliments you, you say thank you. So you say asante. Since she may want to know where you are going, she will ask, tunaenda wapi? Tunaenda wapi? Where are we going? Because she wants to know the destination. And the answer may be to the gardens, of which you say, tunaenda kwenye bustani. We are going to the gardens. Tunaenda kwenye bustani. Or if it's a hotel, you say, tunaenda kwenye hoteli. We are going to the hotel. So you are on your way, you move, and then you reach your destination, and as you enter, they welcome you. So how do we say you are most welcome in Swahili? We say, karibu sana. Please feel at home. Jisikie nyumbani. Feel at home. Jisikie nyumbani. And your response will be asante. Thank you. You can either say asante or tunashukuru. We are grateful. You may want to ask for a meal, so you ask for the menu. And how do you do that? You say, tusaidie menu. To mean, assist us with the menu. Tusaidie menu. Menu in Swahili we say menu. So we will go through to see which kind of food you want. And food in Swahili is chakula. And if you missed our video on food, make sure you click on this card here to go through them and understand the common food in Swahili. Or you may want to order for drinks. So how do we say drinks? Vinywaji. When there are many, we say vinywaji. If it is maybe one bottle, you say kinywaji. But if there are several bottles, vinywaji. or glasses, vinywaji. Glasses za vinywaji. Glasses of drinks. Glasses za vinywaji. And as we all know, Swahili food is so delicious. So you may want to say, this food is delicious, but you want to say it in Swahili. How do you say it? Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. This food is so delicious. You may want to know the bill. So you'll ask, bili yetu ni ngapi? How much is our bill? Bili yetu ni ngapi? During your stay at the gardens or at the hotel, you might want to use the restroom. And this is how you can ask. Msalani ni wapi? Msalani ni wapi? Where are the restrooms? Restrooms, in Swahili we say msalani. Msalani ni wapi? If you're learning something from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. After you finish your stay and you want to leave, you will want to say, we are grateful. And this we say, tunashukuru sana. Tunashukuru sana. To the person who was serving you, to the person who was attending to you, you say, tunashukuru sana. We are grateful. Then you go. Then maybe you might want to take back your partner to where you picked them from. So when you take him or her back, you'll say, I'm grateful for your time. And this in Swahili we say, nashukuru kwa muda wako. I'm grateful for your time. I hope we do this next time again. Natumai tutafanya hivi wakati ujao. You might want to ask for a goodbye hug, because maybe you fear to say you need a kiss. So what is a hug in Swahili? Kumbatia. And a kiss we say busu. Hug is kumbatia, kiss is busu. Then you bid them kwaheri, which means goodbye. And check out our video on romantic phrases and Swahili feeling words. See you in the next one.